even though it's 5 more minutes until midnight, I'm gonna say him Happy New Year to my dad because he's stuck inside of the hospital again while he handles a nasal surgery. How to turn your Toothless. You gotta see that.
Sarge, we got a situation. Someone took the ball. The ball?
The ball?
Toothless.
Toothless.
Hand it over. All right. Just get back before midnight. I'm getting too old for
Gosh, it's almost New Year. And it's almost New Year. There's only almost 30 seconds. Grab someone you love and what? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. This website. This website's not. Happy New Year.
And finally, oh, come on! We need someone else special by next year. Oh, you two will have someone special by next year. But will I? Oh, Olaf, you will as well. Aww. Billion, are you ready for your New Year's kiss? Yes, I am. Oh, Whitney. And Stallion. Yes, Hubert? Oh, are you going to propose already? No. Not for a while, but there's a tradition in the night that the couples kiss. Really? Yes.
What's in your wallet?
Man, that's some New Year's kiss. Oh yeah, it is. Oh man, Mary Poppins, Leo Tones was good. Oh yeah, it was. Yeah, Mary Poppins, Lee Tones was good. So happy New Year, and happy New Year.